welcome to a series of Audible. Audible is a series of listening exercise for ELL learners, ESL learners who are proficient as well as fluent. Let us proceed with the new story, that is The Raven and a Swan. The story is meant for ELL learners and the lexile range for the story is 610 lexile to 800 lexile, which is suitable for a middle school student. And if you are new to listening of English language, that means you are an ELL learner, English language learners, or first generation or second generation, then you need to listen carefully, because in this story we have new structures added which will have additional information as the story is being narrated. Listen carefully. And for most fluent and proficient learners, we have a challenge. That means listen to this story which is narrated in the very basic language structure with minimum of difficult words. You need to listen and express it in concise language. Concise means in limited words with good qualitative vocabulary. And those students who are practicing to improve their lexile, that means improve their ability to read and understand language and improve it to read and understand complex language, for them the lexile challenge is that express the story in minimum words, minimum of 2 sentences rather, and express and write it in the comment box, and I promise to calculate your lexile and share it with you. And as many times as you would like to listen to the story and comment it, it will definitely help you increase your lexile. Let us proceed with the story. Today's story is The Raven and a Swan. Raven is a bird that we can see over here. It is black in color. And the swan is also a bird, which is a water bird, and it is white in color. The black is compared to as black as a coal, and the white is compared to as white as snow. Now let us listen to the story. A raven, which you know is as black as coal, was envious of the swan because of her feathers, which were as white as snow. Envious means jealous. Let us read once more. A raven, which you know is as black as coal, was envious of the swan because of her feathers, which were as white as snow. Let us proceed. The foolish bird got. The foolish is for the raven. Okay. The foolish bird got the idea that if he lived like the swan, swimming and diving all day long and eating the weeds and plants that grow in the water, his feathers would turn white like that of the swan. The bird thought if it were to eat the weeds, it will turn white in color. Let us listen once more. The foolish bird got the idea that if he lived like the swan, swimming and diving all day long and eating the weeds and plants that grow in the water, his feathers would turn white like that of the swan. Let us proceed. So he stands for the raven. So he left his home in the woods and in the fields, and he flew down to live on the lakes and in the marshes. So the bird, the raven, left its home, which was in the forest and in the open grounds and fields, and it went to live in the water, in the lake and in the marshes. Marshes are places where there's mud and water. Let us read once more. Let us listen carefully. So he left his home in the woods and the fields and flew down to live on the lake and in the marshes. Though he washed Raven. He washed and washed all day long, almost drowning himself. His feathers remained as black as ever. Though this bird washed itself, but the bird remained black in color. Let us proceed. Water weeds that he ate did not suit him. He got thinner and thinner, and at last he died. Let us listen once more. The water weeds, that means the plants, the water weeds that he ate did not suit him. He got thinner and thinner, and at last he died. The lesson that we learn from this story is that a change of habits will not change or alter nature. It means if we try changing our habits, it will not change the way God has created us. Let us listen to the lesson once more. A change of habits will not alter nature. Alter means change. The story ends with this lesson. If you are new to my channel, Coaching Mentor, and you like the audibles, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I upload the next video in the series, you get the notification. And if you really liked and enjoyed the story and the challenge of increasing your lexile, then kindly hit like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much.